This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 24th. Stock index futures coming under quite a bit of pressure today. Of course, the long-feared incursion into Ukraine dominating all of the financial markets. We did have some economic reports which very much took a back seat to what is going on internationally. GDP coming in as expected, up 7%. Other economic reports today were basically offsetting or about as expected. I think one thing to keep in mind that the geopolitical situations are, of course, very volatile. This is a good time to limit quantities trading, and I think that would apply to all financial markets, in fact, all markets in general. Currency markets seeing flight to quality buying coming into the dollar index as European currencies coming under pressure due to their proximity to the issue. I would think that the volatility will remain rather extended with what we're seeing in the Ukraine situation. Interest rate futures markets also flight to quality buying coming in across the board, and it now looks like the Fed may be less likely to hike rates by 50 basis points at the upcoming March 16th meeting, not just because the global economy seems to be slowing to some degree, but these geopolitical events are a reason for not just the Fed, but other central banks to go easy on withdrawing accommodation. So I think that is something that we'll probably see persisting for quite some time. Even now, the probability of the Fed raising rates at the March meeting is now at 83% of just 25 basis points. Prior to that, it was more tilted toward a 50 basis point increase. So be very watchful of what's going on internationally. And again, this is a great time to limit exposure in these markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.